Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Autumn Terrell, and today we are going to be doing this beautiful yellow eyeshadow look. Yes, yo, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of the clean girl, natural girl aesthetic. I'm over it. I've been saying it in my past couple videos, and I've been saying it in every video that I create, that I am tired of the clean girl aesthetic. I want some color. Let's bring back some color. So that's what we did in this video. And not only did we use color in this video, yo, it's very much beginner friendly. I think I used like 3 eyeshadows and an eyeliner to get this look. And you would think that I did about 100 steps. I really didn't. It's super easy. So if you want to know how to do this makeup, keep on watching.
Your groove is strange to me, to wanna love someone who's raw all by themselves. I hate for you to
I told y'all my goal for 2026 is to teach y'all how to do y'all makeup so y'all ain't never gotta get hit with a hey boo text ever again, okay? All right, so y'all can see one eye is already done. I'm gonna show you how to do exactly what I did on this side onto this side, okay? So the first step is to use a concealer. You can use a eyeshadow base, but I don't use them. I see there's no point. I just like to take a concealer that's a little shade, that's a shade lighter than me, and I like to just apply this all over my eye just so that we can start with a even clean base. I'm just going to apply that, and then I'm going to just blend this out all over my eyelid. All right, and then just like with anything, when you apply a liquid, you have to set it with a powder. This is going to prevent any creasing. So I'm gonna take this Sephora pressed powder. You can use any type of powder, honestly, and I'm just going to set that concealer. I've been doing my eyeshadow looks like this for the longest, and I have never had a problem. So you don't have to get every makeup product out there. You could just use what you got, because that's what I do. All right, now I'm telling y'all, this look is so freaking easy. Okay, so you're just gonna take a fluffy brush. The one that I'm using, this is the Morphe JH32. Again, y'all, all my brushes are old. This collection is from the Jaclyn Hill collection years ago. And I'm also going to be using something else old. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Again, very, very old. This is what the colors look like. But I kind of downgraded on a lot of my makeup. So this is the only palette that I have that has a lot of colors in it. So don't judge me. Anyway, I'm going to take this brown right here. This one is in the shade Home Body. It's like a bronzy kind of orangey brown. So if you don't have this specific color, just go in with your bronzer or a dark brown, if anything, and just apply that into your crease. So I'm just going to take this color and this brush, and I'm not going to go too high. I'm just going to put it right here, and then we are just going to go back and forth into our crease with this color. And then you're going to want to bring it towards your nose, as if you were like contouring the inside of your nose, but obviously don't bring it down too far. We're just kind of going into this curve right here with the color, and we're going to be swiping it back and forth. I'm telling you, this eyeshadow look, I think I use only like 2 or 3 eyeshadows. When you're doing your eyeshadow, you don't have to use a lot of colors to get the look that you be seeing. When I was doing makeup on my clients, whenever they wanted like something natural, something basic, I'm telling y'all, I could do like a smoky eye with 2 colors alone. So there's really no rules to makeup. So this is how it should be looking right now. I'm then gonna go back into that same color, and then we're just gonna focus it right here on this outer corner. Do not bring this all the way into the inner corner. Just keep it on the outside over here. So this is what it is giving right now. Super easy, super simple. All right, moving on to the next color. I'm just gonna take a like big fluffy brush like this. This is the Morphe M204 brush, and I'm gonna take this light color up here. This is in the shade Certified. So I'm gonna take this, which is like it's pretty much like a matte, like off-white color. I'm just gonna take that, tap off the excess, and then this is going to go on the inner part of our lid. Do not bring this up too high. Do not bring this over too much. This is pretty much just gonna be where we didn't apply any eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply it right here. And then I'm gonna stop here in the center. Again, do not bring it over too far. Now you could honestly just leave your eyeshadow like this, especially like if you're a beginner. This is pretty simple, pretty easy. I've done looks like this as well. I would just apply like some liner and bam, you got an easy eyeshadow look. But again, we are trying to bring back color, so we want to add some color to this. So I'm going to go in with these two colors, the certified that we just used, and I'm going to be using this yellow, which is the star of the show. But for this, I'm going to be using a smaller brush because again, we are trying to put this color directly in our inner corner. We don't want it all over the place. So this is the Morphe M210 brush. Looks like this. And I'm first going to take that lighter color, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to dab into the yellow. This is just going to make the yellow more bright because when I first applied it, it wasn't giving what I wanted. So I just went back in with the lighter color on top and it gave me what I needed. So again, I'm just going in with that lighter color first and then on top with the yellow, and then this is going to go directly, look at that, into our inner corner. And I'm gonna actually bring it down here. I like the way that looks, especially after we've seen it on Zendaya. I'm obsessed. So I like to bring the colors down just a little bit here. And again, just focus that color here on your inner corner. Don't take it anywhere else. Now you don't have to blow the color up how I'm doing it. You could just put it literally like right here and leave it as is, but I'm extra, so that's why I'm just gonna take the color up a little higher. And bam, that is our pop of yellow. And again, because I am just extra, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pastel Auto Eyeliner. This is in the shade Sunshine. It's just a yellow, honestly. And I'm just going to put this into my waterline. If you do not have a yellow eyeliner, you could just take the yellow eyeshadow and get a small brush and apply that into your waterline. So that is what it looks like with the yellow liner. It's just a little more of a pop. Now we're gonna go right back in with that same brown that we used on our in our crease, and I'm gonna take an even smaller brush. This is the Morphe JH42 brush, and I'm gonna go in with that same brown. Ooh. And then I'm just going to take this underneath here, and we're going to just blend it out. Keep this color, what's the word? Try to be more precise with the brown underneath your eye, because if you take this too low, that's when it starts to look crazy. And we don't want that. We want this to be controlled and pretty. So that's why we're using a smaller brush. Do not do this with a bigger brush, especially when you're doing like a smoky eye. That's another tip. Do not try to blend out your lower lash line with a big old brush. It's gonna look a mess, and you're gonna start getting raccoon eyes. Whenever you are taking a color underneath your bottom lash line, use a much smaller brush. It's gonna give it more, you're gonna have more control over the color and how you blend it out. And then for the last step, we're just gonna take some mascara. This is the Maybelline Great Lash. This is such a throwback. I'm just going to take this, and we're going to apply this to our lower lash line. And that is the look. I told y'all it was super easy. I told y'all it was super quick. I'm telling y'all, this is why y'all need to learn how to do your own makeup, because you ain't got to pay nobody to do this. We took, what, 3 eyeshadows in, what, less than 10 minutes to do this? Listen, take my advice, okay? So these are the eyes finished. I'm probably gonna go back and fill in because I lost a couple lashes. So I'll do that off camera, but I figured since we're already here, let's do a lip combo. So I am going to take this LA Girl eyeliner. Now, yes, it is a eyeliner. When I bought this, I did not know that it was a eyeliner. I thought it was a lip liner. So yeah, it is very dark, but that's why I like it. It is in the shade brown, but it's weird. It's like a cool tone brown. I don't know. It just gives me more dimension. So that's why I like it. So if you go looking for this, again, this is a eyeliner, not a lip liner. But I tell y'all all the time, makeup has no rules. Y'all would have never known that this wasn't a lip liner if I didn't tell y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go in next with this is a Dollar Tree lipstick. This is by Ioni. This is in the shade Mon Chéri. It's like a pinkish kind of nudish kind of color. I'm gonna take that in the center and blend her out. Then I'm gonna go on top of that with the Fenty Beauty oil in the shade Frosted Buns. It's like this kind of orangey, pinky lip oil. I don't know. I just love it. It is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty, and it smells so good, y'all. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope y'all loved it. I hope you go and try it, because again, you are your own MUA. Stop paying these girls money to cancel on y'all when y'all can just do it yourselves. So yeah, this is the first of many videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.